Hey, what's up mga kabrad? 1 year since di tayo nakapag-review ng video kasi medyo busy, tsaka ganun. I've moved to another place. Anyways, straight to the point. We will be reviewing the Dowell air cooler since medyo mainit yung panahon ngayon. It's almost December pero yung panahon medyo mainit talaga. It's climate change. I've been using this product for around 2 weeks para mabigay ko sa inyo yung feedback ko. Watch the whole video. I-share natin yung price niya. So watch the video until the end. Let's review the product. The Dowell air cooler is 4 feet in height or 28 inches. It has the usual cord that we use like fans, ovens. It has a controller with screen. It also has its own remote, an outlet where you can drain the water from its bin, a huge screen filter. So let's try to open and see what's inside. So meron tayong dried pancit canton, screen filter kagaya nung makikita natin sa loob ng aircon. So this is what they call the honeycomb. This is the reason why it converts warm air into cooler air. I'll show you an illustration of how it works later on. You can see the water level right here. This is where you fill it up with water or pwede din kayo mag-add ng ice para mas cooler yung buga ng hangin. This is actually clean, clear water by the way. The lighting just makes it look yeah. You can place your wire and remote right here at the back. And here are the options. You can start the machine by pressing the power button. This is the onion. This is the part of the machine where it cleans the air that it releases. So if it sucks in dirty air, so no worries, the onion option will help it clean up. We have the timer, so if you want your machine to turn off at a particular time, have it here. Fan speed, which sets to low, mid, and the natural option is a fan speed that changes from low to mid to high and does not release any cool effect. Swing, yeah. And this is the most important part, the cool option. So what it does here is that it sucks in air or warm air from the back, goes through the screen filter to block in dust and other dirty particles. Then air passes through the honeycomb, yung parang pancit canton sa loob, to convert warm air into cooler air. Then fan pushes the cool air outside. So linagyan ko na siya kanina ng ice pero di ko pa na-click yung record. So kanina when I turned it on, it was like 90 degrees Celsius pero pag na-add ko na yung ice, naging 27 degrees Celsius na siya. Mamaya kapag nag-circulate na matagal yung cool water ay magiging 26 na yan siya. At kapag umuulan man or gabi, pwede din siya magiging 26 to 25. Pwede din kapag napakalamig, magiging 24 degrees Celsius. So the Dowell air cooler is 4 feet by 1 foot or 28 inches by 12 inches. It is a 148 watts machine and has 230 volts with a price of 13,500 pesos. Also, it can hold up to 16 liters of water max or equals to yung isang bucket sa CR. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and then like the video. So you can also check our other tutorials, no? Kagaya nito. And then next week, we will be... Make sure to please subscribe.